Good morning, boys and girls. I'm so excited to share this story with you. This is a story I would have read in class, and I am thrilled to be bringing it to you at your house. At the end, I'm going to ask you to retell your mom or dad or brother or sister. I want you to retell to somebody what happened in this story. Okay? So we're thinking about the beginning, the middle, and the end. This story is called The Great Blizzard. As Anna played the final notes, her piano teacher smiled. "Wonderful," said Mrs. Neal. "Thank you," Anna said. "I practice every day." Mrs. Neal peered out the window. "Oh my, it's snowing very hard." "I'd better go," said Anna, pulling on her coat. "Today is my birthday. I'm 10. Mama is making a cake." As Anna walked home through the falling snow, she thought, "The city looks like it's covered in sugar. It's beautiful." But Anna's joy soon turned to concern. The snow was piling up. It was so hard to see where she was going. Anna tried hard not to fall. Anna struggled onward. The wind blew so hard that she could barely walk. Everything was blanketed in snow, even the street signs. "Where's home?" Anna cried, peering through the swirling flakes. Her apartment building was only a few blocks from Mrs. Neal's, but nothing looked familiar. Had she turned down the wrong street? The wind howled. Anna trudged on, hoping to spot her home. "Anna! Anna!" Was that Papa's voice? "I'm here!" Anna shouted. Papa soon found Anna and scooped her up in his arms. Safe. Many years later, Anna would still remember her 10th birthday. It was the same day as the Great Blizzard of 1888. Okay, friends, now I want you to tell somebody what happened in the story. Don't forget to don't leave out the beginning, the middle, and the end. And then when you're finished, you get to choose a detail from the text to write about. Thanks, and have a good day.